All right, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I thought I'd showcase one of my favorite scalping strategies. This is probably one of the most high win rate strategies on this channel, and I've covered a similar version of the strategy in the past, but since the new updates with the Easy Oscillator, I thought I'd make this video once again. There are members in the Discord who just started using this strategy and are absolutely killing it, and once I go show you guys this and you start back testing, you'll understand just how powerful this is. So if you've been struggling with trading and you haven't found that profitable strategy yet, I urge you to watch this video until the end, right? If you can't watch through a 10 to 15 minute YouTube video on trading, then trading's probably not for you, right? So I urge you to watch this until the end and take notes throughout the video if you have to. This is a very simple strategy to execute. It is not ICT, it is not smart money concepts. It is a strategy that really anyone can use with very minimal knowledge in the markets. So let's get right into how the strategy works. So to start things off, this strategy works best on volatile coins. I have a list of altcoins that I personally trade in the Discord. If you join the Discord, second link in the description below, and you go down to the education channel, you'll see the list of altcoins that I trade. And second, this is not a get rich quick scheme. There will be losing trades, there will be stop outs, but the risk to reward is often very, very high. And honestly, the win rate is also extremely high if you execute properly. So you won't really have to worry about drawdown too much in this, but there will be losing trades as with any strategy, so keep that in mind. All right, next, the strategy also works on a lower time frame. So anywhere from a 5 to 15, you can even use this on a 1 minute time frame if you really wanted to. Obviously, I don't recommend that. So for those of you that do want to scalp and get some quick intraday trades, this is the one I'd recommend. The strategy also uses multiple confluences, so you're not entering off one thing, right? You're waiting for multiple different criteria to line up, which will make you more confident when trading with this strategy. And finally, this strategy is not a fad. It's not a strategy that's going to be on YouTube this year and then it's going to disappear next year. The way this strategy works, it will never go away and you'll always be able to profit using this exact one. All right, now that that's out of the way, let's get into the strategy itself. So if you didn't guess by now, the method of which we're going to trade is using divergences. Now, if you don't know what a divergence is, I'll throw a screenshot up on the screen here of a couple of the different divergences. There's bullish, bearish, hidden bullish, and hidden bearish. In this case, we're only going to be using the bullish and bearish. We're not going to worry about the hidden divergences. All right, that's kind of too complicated. We're just going to be focusing on the regular bullish and bearish divergences. And for this strategy, we will be using Heikin-Ashi candles. It's not necessary to, but with the confluences I like to use, including the buy and sell signals, I like to use the Heikin-Ashi candles. They're totally fine. Now, there's a few different ways to detect divergences. Some people use RSI. Some people use CVD data. Some people use certain momentum indicators. However, the best indicator to use for divergences is Easy Oscillator. This is my own custom momentum indicator, and I find that these divergences play out a lot better than some other divergences like Fu Manchu, Cypher B, or some other free indicators that you may find. So if you want the best of the best divergences, I'm using Easy Oscillator. This comes with the Easy Algo buy and sell signals, which is also a part of the strategy, and the Easy SR. All right, rule number one is that we want to wait for price to come to an SR level. Always, always, always play the horizontal levels, right? Don't try to trade trend line breakouts. This is basic price action, but simplicity often works the best. So trade the SR levels. Rule number two is we're going to identify a divergence on the Easy Oscillator. By the way, if you guys don't have these indicators, click the first link in the description below. That'll take you to our website where you can get these indicators for yourself. These are not public. These are invite only indicators. You guys should know what a divergence is by now. It's when price is creating a lower low while the momentum is moving to the upside, and then obviously opposite for a short position. I'll show you guys a few examples of these as well. All right, the third rule is that we need to see a buy or sell signal at the support or resistance level as the divergence is forming. So I find that these buy and sell signals are very helpful when used at a key level, right? And last but not least, you're going to be looking for some reversal signals on Easy Algo. The reversal signals are these diamonds right here. These indicate when price is overbought or oversold. So if you see a divergence when price is oversold at a support with a buy signal, you have multiple different confluences lining up telling you that you should enter the trade. And that is it, guys, right? Those are the four main rules. Now, there is some other stuff that goes into it, right? You want to identify the overall macro trend on a higher time frame, maybe like the 1 hour or 4 hour. If price is in a steady downtrend on all major time frames, then it might not be best to look for a long position, right? But by definition, trading divergences is a reversion trading strategy. So you're going against the trend, whether it be just in the short term or not, you're still going against the current price action. Now, let me show you guys a few examples of these divergences so you can see it for yourself. So on ADA here on the 10-minute time frame, the past day or two has given multiple of these divergences, right? You can see here the momentum oscillator is moving upwards. You can see that the volume is increasing to the upside as well. Price is doing the opposite. The price is creating a lower low at this Easy Algo support level, right? We've already bounced from this level in the past, meaning that there are buyers in this area and we want to be looking for a long position again. And we get a mild buy signal here on easy algo. That can confirm our entry, or if we want to wait for the buy signal, I like to use the 1.2 sensitivity on the buy and sell signals on easy algo. So if you wanted to, you could wait for that buy signal on easy algo, take profit up here at this resistance level. This is also right at our golden pocket from this swing high to this swing low, which is another strategy I love to use. I like to enter trades with at least a 1 to 2 risk to reward, meaning I'm going to be risking, let's say, $100 to profit $200. That's the absolute minimum I'll do. And you can see even earlier, we saw the same thing, right? Where price is making a lower low. We have those reversal signals and the momentum oscillator is moving to the upside, right? The volume is increasing to the upside. The buy dot on the oscillator confirms right around here, which is where we could enter our trade. If we want a little bit more confluence, we could enter at that easy algo buy signal. Keep our stop loss kind of tight, maybe at the beginning of this buy signal right here. Again, targeting the resistance level as your take profit. All right, let's look at XRP. All right, XRP did the same thing. You can see price was making a lower low. We had those reversal signals. Although it's not super noticeable, we did have a bullish divergence here on the easy oscillator because this momentum wave is in fact lower than the previous momentum wave. So we are moving upwards. Price has created a lower low. We get that easy algo buy signal. That is going to be our entry. Put that stop loss at the buy signal, target the easy algo resistance levels as our take profit. You can see while not as prominent, we are getting bullish divergences here where the easy oscillator is moving to the upside. Price is remaining flat. This is actually a type of divergence where price is holding support, not necessarily going lower, but it's not moving upwards either. And we get that buy signal. That would be our entry. And we can do the same thing on the way back, right? We can see that the easy oscillator is forming a bearish divergence. The momentum is moving to the downside while price is still moving to the upside right into this resistance zone, and we get that sell signal, which would be our entry. I like to see a nice clear divergence. So something like this where yes, this is a bearish divergence, right? Momentum is moving to the downside, volume is moving to the downside, and price is maintaining the same level. Even though that is a bearish divergence technically, that's not a super clear bearish divergence that I like to see. I really like to see those two smooth waves, right? We come up and then we make a lower high and then I'll enter on the sell signal, right? Looking at Solana USD, we had a few different divergences in the recent price action. First, you can see a bearish divergence here. Price is creating a higher high while the momentum is making a steep lower high, right? It's doing the opposite of price. And then we get that sell signal. That would be our short entry. Again, another bearish divergence at resistance. This time we have the reversal signals. Price maintains its high, forming this swing failure pattern while the momentum oscillator is creating a lower high. That would be our entry, and we would enter at that easy algo sell signal. Price comes down and do the exact same thing on the way up, right? We do have a bullish divergence here. See that the momentum is increasing to the upside as price is making new lows. We have a ton of reversal signals indicating that price could see a reversion soon. Enter on the buy signal, stop loss at that buy signal, targeting the resistance level. We also saw the same thing in Magic the other day. Price making a lower low. We got those reversal signals. The momentum oscillator was creating a bullish divergence, and we had that buy signal on easy algo, take profit at the resistance level. I'm not going to drag this video on too much longer. I just want to cover the basics of trading with divergences using the easy algo trading indicators. Like I said, if you guys want these indicators, be sure to click the first link in the description below. Make that investment in yourself, cancel any time. And I really think that if you guys take the time to learn these strategies and put in the effort, you will definitely see results, just like so many of our members are seeing inside the Discord. That's it for me. If you guys enjoyed the video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel for more trading content, and I'll see you guys next video.